don't do that. This is a case of pure mental disability and disorientation. Alpha.
Bosco.
You like that song?
Now?
You like that song?
I love it.
The
reading makes sense.
Nobody the song I like and the video I like.
I like the song, I like the video.
Those the informer them.
Okay.
You get one I like where you get one with the always for the left. That get fresh where.
Fresh. I mean, you like
that get fresh. No, that get fresh.
Today. You don't talk through.
No. I like fine people now.
No wonder I would say me and you the office like this. You go they play that video on and on. Child, song here now chosen.
Now waiting.
I bet when I know say we don't show regularly when we don't come like this now to come sunshine now. All the treasure and things them we concern bubbles and babies and this make it for no loss now the show we call
Bubbles Yarn.
And we done the same relationship since 2014. Yes. So today is a special day for us.
Why?
Because we are very happy and we are rejoicing because but kita now batago.
Yeah, what he said in translation is that we have released the culprit from the coven of the witches that held him somewhere in prison.
Ladies and gentlemen, with us no further ado,
welcome.
I present to you
the prisoner. All the way
from Kuala Lumpur. The relationship for Canada.
It's in the building. Explain to them what you've been going through, please.
Don't believe what people say. Don't ever believe what people say. Believe in yourself. Believe in your story. I was never in any coven. No one catch me. And Bobby. I went to Kuala Lumpur.
So wait, Kuala Lumpur. This is all you could bring.
I went to Kuala Lumpur and I came with this. Bobby, how are you? Say hello to Showman. Hello, Showman.
If I say hello to you.
Who go, hello. You go, look, Bobby saying this. Bobby. Okay, listen. To all Shakara fans, Bobby saying, I love you. Yes. Okay.
You and the Kuala Lumpur and the Bobby.
No, apart from Bobby, please.
Yeah?
Apart from Bobby. Now watch. Bobby have something for you people. Watch. Bobby have something for you people.
Bobby has
And we have to do this in one love.
Okay.
Sip.
Bobby.
Yes. Sip. Sip. Oh, don't finish it.
Please give him back.
Hey, my friend,
you don't want Bobby?
No, I don't
if you don't drink this Bobby, that means I wish.
What is one love?
You don't believe in one love.
Why you don't put the one love inside here?
You don't believe in one love.
I don't know what thing you don't put inside this place.
My friend drink from Bobby.
If this person do money self now you. You ain't that coins you go bring. I drink and be happy from.
Father Lord,
Bobby.
any plan to truncate my destiny, any plan to render me without a wife, lose.
Best way they render you don't get. No,
best way your wife never render you without the wife. Oh, nice to see you. Nice to see you. Nice one.
Bring Bobby.
Nice one. Return Bobby now. You won't come kill the Bobby. See who say no.
Please bring my body.
Why you name him woman something? Bobby?
Not Bobby, as in Bobby.
Oh, Bobby. Okay. You don't bless now, Bobby. You know say you like Bobby well.
Okay, Bobby, this is how we do it. This is how we do it in Nigeria, Bobby. We don't have to drink from you. We have to pour from you. Like this, Bobby. Okay? Okay. Yeah. So Bobby, you relax and then
you know the person will say you well, that person self no follow well. Because this is an abnormal case of someone that travel out. We send you go somewhere, you go bring. What do they call this now in real life? What is this? Cup.
It's not a cup.
It's what?
Bobby's angry. Sorry.
I'm sorry, Bobby. I'm sorry.
I beg. We don't see every we don't fall back. The squad don't come back, yes, and we don't come Sunday. Now, one very, very, very interesting topic today because say it go vice versa. Now, if you want marry, we say you don't ready to marry because I know say Shakara is on the verge of getting married very soon. Show myself don't chook ring for finger.
No. Say Showman has plans to. Not
chook ring already.
You never chook ring?
Yes, that's chook. So
you come and make it look like
it has chook.
Congratulations.
Excuse me, I never.
So how are you people? How's Nigeria?
Would you allow me say my topic first?
No, wait. He won't greet us. He say, sorry, how's what?
How's Nigerian being? How your parents? How everybody?
My parents.
You good?
My
In
parents.
Kuala Lumpur, everything was fine. So move on.
Wait, how many? Just 3 days where you go.
Kuala Lumpur is close to Singapore, in case you don't know, in Malaysia. Okay.
Yeah.
And then from there I went to Paris, you know, and then it's just like that. And then
Which
back.
Paris? Which flight you use?
Huh?
Which airline?
Which
you
airline?
It's epic. Because we flew peacefully. So that's why it's epic.
Airpiece. They already the piece, so inside the well.
I beg, more than matter we'll talk about today. Now, if you want marry and your family come talk, say Belle must enter. Both sides, from the guy family or the babe family. If you want marry, they come tell you say Belle must enter before 12 and marry. You go do them.
Ask Shakara first. He's just coming, so
Now,
it's
matter
fresh.
what talk about today. You were there for house. I beg, sharply, they go our social media portals. So they run through your screen, make you follow us talk. If you want marry where you don't ready to marry, your family come tell you say Belle must enter before you marry. You go do them, or how you go take do the matter? I beg. Just let us know. I beg. Our social media portals run through your screen. Follow us, yarn the matter.
This topic way on I take welcome me is very gangacious.
Oh, you like Belle topic?
Because the Belle things is one of the fruits that comes out of marriage. Because marriage is like a tree that is being planted when the two people are joined together gangaciously.
And you look like they've already told you that you must show your working before you.
Now, normally it would depend if the both families they attend either your church or your place of worship. You know, because place of worship they also determine say whether they go join on to marriage if una don't get Belle don't involve. So anywhere where you worship, whether na shrine, mosque, church.
Well, the place of worship these days only 2 cents now.
No, some they send.
How did they take send?
Some they send, some
So
no.
I know about
so if they don't carry Belle, they
I
can't
know
go
about
to
some
church.
where we say a week
Don't
before.
come to say-
They go to carry out tests.
Yeah, I know some where they do tests
that
either a
couple no
week
get
or
money.
2 days before
That couple,
the
so it means say
No, even if you get
so it
money,
means
get
say
churches, they don't get money
if
sell.
Davido now then they can't go now with this in Pikin where they don't born now or something.
me
Say
tell
one
you,
marry,
you
you
get
can't
some-
say no.
You get
Some
some
churches
churches
they
where they will stand. I mean, many reception you say they first do small service before the reception, then everything go on. But if my church no send and the two families say now what they want, why not? I will give it to them. If that's what they want, I give it to the family. Give them the Belle. No, sorry, the girl.
You know, say Shakara, your man you speak now.
No.
You want to give the whole family Belle.
I
Yeah?
say.
You will give you will carry it
Kuala
and
Lumpur
give the whole family Belle.
But you know, say I don't notice one thing where we say some families they from let me say I don't see some Igbo families where we say the man tell him pikin say before you marry this girl, make sure say you get Belle. May we know whether
You
she
say
dey fertile
na
or
safety.
not.
Yes, we know
Shey
that na
you feel
safety
me?
be the issue.
And some said they go tell their daughter say try get Belle for this guy. Before you go marry, and may we know. You know, say sometimes this fertility thing.
No, but
from
do we
the
have
problem fit come
families
from
or
anybody.
parents where they tell their children say,
Of course.
But
This
maybe
one is-
this
yes.
just remind me of something. You know,
We get.
one girl been dey try secure her relationship. They try prove to the guy say, I did very fertile. I get Belle anytime. You understand? Because the guy say, that's why they worry and say I don't go get Belle. I get Belle. Me, I don't come up Belle 5 times.
now where the guy go jump up when he say,
I say because for five to not enter.
this is the way you dey
that
talk.
means the
That
guy
kind
is
girl,
very fertile.
that kind girl now, they also maybe the guy parents or they sit down, you understand? Then they come say, so my
Now for
daughter,
general meeting like that too.
my daughter, will you be able to
I wish so.
give our son or give us a grandchild? Because say,
Daddy, why you talking like that? You don't know. The other time, even we take a phone, I removed two.
with Shakara, I remove
with Shakara, we show man.
you be like say you don't forget your this. I don't have your story here. Meanwhile, when we're coming to the bar, did we see a pregnant woman that
Get out there, get out there. That's just a joke.
I said I would bar. Which joke?
That's a joke.
Oh wait, the Bella is joke. Hold
You
on.
got that a joke.
Was joking.
Wait. The Bella, no be real Bella.
After all, I've not been in the country for a while. So after
That Bella 5 months pregnancy, they say, how long have you been
Person
away?
carry Belle when it's like 5 months. Say it was him.
No.
Now you can't call the talk.
I
say
want
you
to
have
know.
been away for just 2
Now
weeks
the
now.
Bella be joke. Abina, the hugging and the rest, now be the joke.
Everything I hand highs was a joke.
Oh, so that girl Belle that fake.
Move on with your. What were you saying?
Answer the question.
Shakara, this topic was designed for you, especially because I know say you are very close
Bobby's
to.
so surprised because you know, Bobby, I'm not like that. You understand? Okay, don't worry. And funny enough, Bobby's going back. To Kuala Lumpur. No, I came with him. They escorted me here.
Okay.
It's from their government. They sent him.
Oh.
So Bobby.
So you go back. After you go down drain and finish.
I beg, we went that street. We still there here. The flanger inside this bar. We went that street. Ask people this very, very same question. Say, if you're ready to marry and your family content say Belle must enter, you go do them. I beg, not go anywhere and see BOBOS here and we come back.
If you're a child of God, you must follow the way Bible talk. Say people go marry.
That kind of situation tire me. To me, I know for life make my wife get Belle first because of dignity.
If you give person Belle before you marry, you have defied the bed. Bible say marriage is honorable before everything, with the bed undefiled.
I know say family is important, but at the same time, my family no go totally run my own family for me.
So anybody will go give person Belle before you marry him, that person don't commit sin against God.
But notwithstanding, I love my family. I will love our own family too. But what am I go do now? They're not going to live our life. But notwithstanding, me and my wife will decide finally what we go do.
So tell people where the advisor can advise, make them stop them and obey God.
I feel no do am.
I'll go give her Belle. I'll give her Belle.
Me, I feel if your wife no get Belle and she marry, it's her pride. But what am I go do? That one don't mean say I go see Kevin. Now agreement between me and the girl na ain't go matter. That is what me go feel like doing.
Yes, so now welcome back. I don't see all the church and things and we our men them gas talk on top Agogo for street. If you just join us this one on the show where they give you all the church and things what they call BOBOS yan. And you know say we don't the same relationship since 2014. And right here with us in the bar, our man that they threw back from Kuala Lumpur and he came with one Bobby on getting he's in the house, he's back, Shakara is back.
They didn't throw me back. So man, you will not be here and allow this.
Story they talk about today is simple.
Let's go finish.
If you marry or you don't ready to marry, they can't tell you, your parents or your family can't tell you, say Belle must enter before, you know, the marriage proper. You go do them, doesn't matter what they talk about. I bet guys, you get what you now be they talk when we watch
Shakara was trying to say and I will come back to the topic.
No, the written what they talk we say.
Now, why you try?
No. See,
okay, talk.
What would they really talk?
Yeah, narrative.
Will they try separate religion from
reality?
From reality.
And my reality where I want to talk.
And me, I dey against the fact say religion and this reality of marriage. Now, what you will not feel separate. Religion and marriage, because we're talking about marriage.
You can separate it.
No, you can't.
You can separate it. Our forefathers, most of them did not know religion, but they still married and they still gave birth to you. What I'm saying is that
no, they still have their own religion. They still have what they believe in.
But because I tell you, by the time you want to
what I've been talking for this program way back, I've been telling them say no marriage will go start without blessing. And once your
parents can bless you already now.
That is religion. No, your parents cannot bless you. That's traditional. When you want to do traditional marriage,
who tell you say who is the major
people to
bless
in the Bible,
your marriage? Who be the blessed marriage? Jacob nine blessing children. You are the pastor.
Okay,
you are the man of God.
Why they say somebody now, parents now, for example, now they Lagos, they born their daughter. Why they not just you come by they bless you go? Why I still need to go do that traditional marriage?
Let me tell you why. Let me tell you the main thing.
The parents never dey bless us now.
Now the parents be the main thing.
When they have a representative, somebody will represent that culture.
Get this point well. We are not telling you the first point of the blessing that be the parents. And if you choose to say you won't stop there and there, you know what I'm going to
How many people don't choose to stop?
Because
nobody has.
I can do it. But what I'm saying that, you see, Nigerians are very religious.
They just marry. They just marry.
Nigerians are very
traditional marriage.
Yes, now.
No, the traditional marriage basically now where you go call family school.
What do they call it? White wedding.
Go still bless.
What do they call it? White wedding.
But there's an
I have done traditional marriages.
There's somebody.
Let me ask you a question. Most of the elders in the village or waiting for your family, most of them are either they be pastors for their church or deaconesses. Don't they have the rights to also in that traditional marriage still pray? They even pray for you.
But when they pray for you. But they have the traditional stuff. That's drink where they go down. They carry drink like this. Whoa. See, that drink where touch ground. You know what did that thing signify?
Your leg will touch the ground.
That collar where they break.
Your leg now you now see.
You know what it signify?
Now, no issue. Now, let's go back to this.
Now, my point is this.
The Belle issue now.
My point is this. Why I feel. You see why I don't fit even day anywhere on this topic because it happened to me in real life. I get friend even till today. I like her so much, but she says she gets what they call them. Let's say she gets issue. This way they know how they always bleed. They bleed constantly. If you don't come, they just go. So they even fear say she fit no fit carry Belle. What is it called again now? You get this way they call. I don't forget the name they call them.
Now you
fibroid. Good.
Okay.
Fibroid, good. And fibroid, most times, you understand, you feel get picking, you feel no get. Now, if that kind of a person, maybe you say you love the girl, and the girl don't tell you, say, look, then first, you come from family where say you want picking. Like me, the man, I want picking. Now, you love her, but she get fibroid. Say you go either one check before, even the girl, they won't advise you, say, Mona, try check if she carry Belle. You understand? Before, so what do you do in that kind of situation? You have to check because if you end up marrying her and you were married because love and you want picking, you got to check before you go and say you want to go and marry. You go carry church that enter that. Some things you must come out to religion.
So now, what do we do basically when we say you dey in love, and your religion, or let's take religion out of it, your belief. Now say no cranking. Your belief now say no cranking before marriage, and your own parents can't tell you say, dude, you must dey sure say this babe dey fertile before you marry am. Because basically say maybe not because of things where their eye don't see. I mean, I think so. We say don't happen to them. They can't look and say we must dey sure.
Do you know the only place where this thing can play? What you say?
This is my story, my true life story.
Is either you are not a Christian, you are not a Muslim, and then you are not an idol worshipper.
So if you are a Christian, what should you do?
Your religion will guide you.
Guide you how?
If you are a Muslim, your religion will guide you.
You are a Christian, so I'm asking you now. How? Okay, guide me in this situation now. No, you guide me now.
Yes,
okay, you are now the one in this shoe now. Your girlfriend has fibroid, and she has told you that it be like say she don't forget picking because you had a even crank without CD, and she never carry Belle. Her previous boyfriend, where she don't get, said don't crank out without CD, she never carry Belle. Even inside where she dey close to her period.
So you want to check if she go.
So I'm asking you, what will you do? What will you do? And having a child is very key for you. Like if you are a prince, like I am, and you have to take over the kingdom.
It's having a child the ultimate thing in marriage.
I'm just telling you that I want a child. But I want a child
right now.
But I want a child now.
You dey feel me?
You want my no get picking?
No, everybody wants. But what I'm saying here is that in that case, you have to go for counseling.
Which counseling again?
Maybe this is your opinion.
Which counseling again?
We go talk if counseling is the way or counseling is not the way. Not go anywhere. That's it, BOBOS yarn.
They know where. I don't go marry because if Belle fit enter now, you can't say the person will find past me. Shey you understand me? So the thing don't go sweet again. At least me say one wear wedding gown. I be no one wear wedding gown.
Okay, that one a strong thing, a strong matter. But as it be so, me my prayer and I say the man will go marry me as a virgin. So I go let my parents know. If my parents have not even say me I get Belle because of waiting. If I can't get Belle, if the man can't go on call, waiting I go now only me go carry the cost for my head. Apart from that one, I go tell the guy say, see, the case now matter be like this. Me I know if you get Belle before I marry. If you don't want, capiche. If you want go. Chicken and not be by force. Not being the only man for life now. Not the only fish in the river. Men plenty. As one door they close, another door they open. Soldier go, soldier come.
Okay, now welcome back. We dey laugh inside this studio because we don't hear some virgin talk. Shakara is angry. Say wait, is a virgin? They
no. But these days it's like a trend now. You know, say guys they quick expose now. Quick know what's up. In those days, girls don't reach 15 years old. She never see no what's up like. But now even from 12, 13,
they don't sabi everything.
They don't know everything. How boyfriend they even break heart, dump everything. So some will be virgin now. That's 12 years. They don't seal their mind like this. They don't know say men are heartbreakers. So they don't give anybody. I want to be virgin. It gets some way they talk. Go and say, I'm a virgin, take it or leave it.
And you go know so that virgin.
Yes, now, and you know say those days, the virgin won't talk. You know say, I never do before. But these days, the ones who be virgin, they tell you say, man, take it or leave it. I'm a virgin.
On the content, you say,
because
I'm not cut out for all this.
This thing I say, they're proud of themselves.
Virgin don't have before. Who virgin don't have before. But I've been telling you guys I'm a virgin. I don't ever agree. I'll behave like that girl. I'll be very serious. I am virgin.
Look at what you've caused.
As you say, virgin.
Bobby, head don't go back.
Bobby turn head. Look at Bobby that was sitting front. Look, head don't go back. Yeah, Bobby, sorry. Come on, come back. Yeah.
Oh, goodness gracious. Okay. Thank you for waiting for hours. Don't mind these two madmen. With our twins, they come in with the CM where Facebook, Twitter, everything. Keep throwing it there. We're going to read them. Chika Eze, don't put man for this matter. He say, I know that girls will definitely say no, but we guys will say yes. Tunde Olumide say yes, because those girls, them don't spoil. No one day. Virgin, only God can save men. No. Blessing God, he say capital no. Jen Lucky knows that say yes, cause girl of nowadays. Ejiro Phillips says no. So most girls are saying no. Now guys,
but really, let's face fact. This is the thing. You know, the reason why I go say guys they say yes. Now because of the trend of D&C where we say babes don't do, and the kind of lifestyle where some babes them don't live. They filming, and girls will say no. Why? Because they feel say. Even sometimes they do say at the verge when you don't get Belle, even 2-3 weeks before you marry, the exact day when you go marry or days before you go marry, something will happen. Everybody go waka.
Let me explain why I always feel say one thing. If you know say you be virgin first, both of them, no issue. You can marry like that after you don't do all your medical stuff, because I don't think person will say that both of them are there be AS. And they use religious, say, faiths. Say if you go and marry, you must give birth to a sickler.
No, if you know say problem day. Like that, you understand?
So what do?
You know.
No, if not that AS thing, you basically have no choice.
I'm only talking because I'm telling Shakara about this religious thing. Say when they form religious, I don't see people be AS. They form religious. Both parents they tell them say don't marry.
No,
don't bring in a child when be SS. They form say we know the Lord. We have faith.
You need counseling,
Yeah.
Even when Bible say you walk upon snakes and scorpion and none go hurt you. You understand?
If you go walk out on top.
Na parable.
Yes,
say,
but
even evil things won't happen. They're not going to even come near
Thank you. But even and I'm talking about quote
snake day.
They will quote them that your own way they quote now. Come go from snake day. But Jesus Christ even talk say, do not tempt the Lord thy God. That means say you go
Shakara, time no really be our friend. Time no be our friend. In one word, you go do them, yes or no?
Today for the first time, I have to sit on the fence. Which is I may not.
It's okay. Personally, me, I would not also say I would do, because first I'm a virgin, but I would advise that based on the situation and the condition where you see the problem.
Why?
You go virgin again, but I'm a one year issue. I beg my people for us. It depends on you how you want to take them. If you want, listen to your family, now your choice. For me,
what of you?
I no go do them. I no go do them.
This already get to the full village already.
I know.
This will get one clan.
The truth now say
one clan.
I know fit. Marry woman fresh. When you just marry, give her Belle.
Why I said?
So, did you like what you just saw? I know you did. It's very simple. If you want to see more, just subscribe to our channel right now.